When it comes to off-roading, safety becomes very crucial, and that's why we've got partners like the Hazy View, Panel Beaters and Towing, who are going to be some of the sponsors of the off-road explosion this year. And we're joined by Patrick. He is part of the managing team at the Hazy View Panel Beaters. Patrick, welcome to Off-Road Chronicles.
Okay, thank you for doing your work.
No, just tell us a little bit maybe about Hazy View Panel Beaters, what you do, and the kind of work that you get involved in.
Alright, Hazy View Panel Beaters, it's a panel beater which is based in Hazy View, the connect rest in R538. So Hazy View Panel Beaters, guys, obvious, we know when you're on the off-road, sometimes skubuka intaba wrong.
Sure.
Say motor say net tent, motor say off-road, amelanga sibela ama tent, kumele smart. So Hazy View Panel Beaters is pushing the ama quotation. For free, insurance, we want to do it cash, and then it's up to you with okay, qualify. But usually, as a View Panel Beater city, insurance, I can say 99.9%.
Sure.
Insurance alliance. Once on insurance as a View Panel Beater city, no bank and they close. Now, Lego is a view towing exactly, and now still is a view towing. It's another service, you would say, okay, Ustagile, Petrol Shai, family run. Family run, I'm talking about when you're stuck and then you have to get another vehicle to get them home.
Yeah.
So it's Nazolezo, Motolezo. For more information, look at on Hazy View panelbeaters.online for more info. My contact details the money photo is the number of the office, which is 013-7377-801. So,
sure. But this year you are part of the Mpumalanga Off-Road Explosion. Why did you decide to be part of such an event?
I forward to show being into experience with technically truly speaking we see no TikTok.
Sure.
See one of the cases that team Lipumpu and
Sure.
So certain see panel beater see towing food.
Yeah.
There's a motor mela with masses limele sesiyadonsana ngeitama. Athi nathi sindisondela. Sibone ukuthi abafundi sibanceda njani abasinceda njani because ukuyizandla siyawasha senze.
Hey Tara, I think that's very good. So nobody has to worry that their vehicles will be stuck and there'll be nobody to tow them. You'll be there to do that. Maybe in closing, just to wrap it up, why is safety so important when it comes to events like the Mpumalanga Off-Road Explosion?
Certainly, okay, imported but you explore umuntu wase KZN makazosuka uyofika eSudwana it's another experience. Okay, umuntu wase KZN makayofika shaya ipothole lapha eGraskop Hazy View towing you'll be khona for ukuthi incede lo muntu lo. So obvious ngibona kube into right ukuthi okay singaba busy in off-road team craft number 1 in Mpumalanga. So nathi aba number 1 since panel beat which pushes service. All
right, so accidents can definitely spoil the fun, but you can be sure that if you join us this year at the Mpumalanga Off-Road Explosion, should disaster struck, there's definitely Hazy View, Panel Beaters and Towing at your service. You can also find all the details and how you can reach them, all the services they offer will be available on the screen. And this, again, the stories behind the people who are part of this year's Mpumalanga Off-Road Explosion.